Puerto Rican style arroz con pollo, one pan, crispy skin, y pegado. This requires adobo, which we're going to make with salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, coriander, turmeric for color, oregano, and of course cumin. You gotta have cumin. Adobo. I prefer chicken thighs for this, and I like to make relief cuts along the bone so they don't curl when you cook them. Now you can hit them with that adobo on both sides. A cast iron pan is the key to this, skin side down. If we're gonna make this right, we're gonna make sofrito with green pepper, shallots, garlic, the bottom half of your cilantro. If you can get culantro or shadow benny, even better. But I can only get cilantro. You gotta do the thing, you know. Nice, but I'm not gonna need all that now. Lucky for me, I like this dish, and I save it in ice cube trays for another day. Always wash your rice. It's important to wash off that excess starch. There's nothing worse than gummy rice. Look at that color. And I know it's still raw on one side. Set it aside. I promise this is gonna work. That signature yellow color comes from achiote, or annatto seed, which you have to bloom in the grease first, so that that rice will have that signature yellow color. And that annatto seed offers color, but you don't want to eat it. So we're going to take it out, and then you can add the secret ingredient, a piece of chorizo, which is going to give this rice great flavor. Now you can add the sofrito. Oh, smells good in here. Make a spot for some tomato paste. Add your rinsed rice. We want it to coat and fry before we add the liquid. Now you can add the water. You could add chicken stock, but honestly, there's enough flavor in here. Just use water. A teaspoon and a half of tomato bouillon in lieu of salt. A little more adobo, because you have it. A couple of bay leaves. And I always sneak in a few capers and olives. Add all that chicken juice before we close it up. This needs peas. You gotta have peas. Or if you're in Puerto Rico, guandules. A piece of parchment is the key to this dish, but we need it to fit. So we're gonna fold it into a triangle so we can get a circle to fit this pan. Add that piece of parchment and cut a few holes, because we're going to put the chicken on top and we want the juice to run through. Not only is the juice going to run through, but that chicken skin is going to stay crispy. We're going to walk away and finish that in the oven. That parchment was like a lid, but the holes let the chicken juice in and the skin stayed crispy. We're going to put that on low for 5 minutes because we need to have pegado. Listen to how crispy that skin is. And that rice is fluffy and perfect.
That rice has bomb flavor. The chorizo and that crispy bottom make it.
That pegado?
Yeah, that chicken skin. That chicken is so moist. A little cilantro, there you go. Dinner's done. The good one.
That reminds me of abuelita.
That's an excellent one-pot meal.